Yeah, definitely. So hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, guys, there's a random angry 9-year-old that wants the tactics outpost. If you don't recognize this place, you should recognize it from a couple of our bombing videos. Flashback, flashback, flashback. I don't know, editing. Anyway, the tactics army is having some technical difficulties with this call. She isn't powerful or anything. She's kind of stupid, actually. We just are done dealing with her. We want to kill her, and we just filming this because it's actually kind of funny. So anyway, let's go drop a nuke. I like setting people on fire. Anyway, all right, beans, 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 beans. Oh God, this is what we told you about. Ah! Get her. Where'd she go? You just chucked her. She is. Nicholas is telling me she's mad. We can see that. Alright, she's dead. Beans, beans, oh, beans are so magical. I'm gonna eat the beans in Taco Bell style all over the battlefield. Yeah, the battlefield. Yeah, it's gonna get Taco Bell done. Nobody's gonna smell like. Oh, we can't finish that joke. All these towers, all these people look exactly the same. You could almost call them twins. I leveled up. I killed so many people. I leveled up. I'm feeling like I'm gonna be a homicidal maniac. Whee! Stop running away from me, random person. Alright, I'm running. I'm heading to the stone tower. No. It's harder for them to track me when I'm zooming through the forest at Mach 5. Not whenever there's kinetics that are on follow. And not to mention they are resilient. They will launch nuclear bombs at me while I'm underwater. I'm at the stone outpost. I'm heroic. I just killed an entire townsfolk of people, and now I'm heroic. I can burn my house to the ground. Don't do that again, because I'm a nuclear bomb waiting to explode. Go drop me somewhere. I'm fully powered. I do. Drop me right in the center. Why not the center? You made me miss 1,000 people. Where the spawn center is. Bro, help! Bro, this guy. Bro, help! Of course, as soon as the recording starts, the recording was going so smooth. But as soon as everything was going so smooth. Kill this guy. Why are you telling them that we're recording? Alright. Fine. No, don't try to make a diplomacy with him. We're gonna nuke him. Well, you can't promise anything to a guy that is literally half the time he's in the nuclear radius of me. I'm a nuclear bomb. You think I care about diplomacies? If you drop me anywhere near him, game over. The diplomacy's done. That guy is dead. Drop me. Somewhere with people, I suggest. Yes, drop me. Hi. Run away, 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 run, 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 run. I'm running away. Wait, can we do fire stream and just go over top of them? And then we just do a fire stream over top of them, killing the rest of them. Charging, I'm charging, yeah, I'm charging, As soon as I do the nuke, we're not going back to the outpost. You're just picking me up, and we're just gonna do a fire stream over top to kill the rest. All right, good. Oh, look at this juicy amount of people. Drop me right here now. Beans! And I'm in the forest right next to them. Oh, I'm out of stamina. Run. Go. We just wiped out. We just wiped out half the entire server flat. Let's kill the rest of them. The entire reason we did this entire video, she left. The camera barely even got to see her. This sucks. Alright, go bomb someone. Suggest that main spawn. Oh, look at that juice, you know. Wee! I ran before anybody could see me. Get me out of here. I can't bomb anyone. I don't have stamina. No, let's just keep bombing. No. I refuse. I meant Matt. I'm going to bomb someone. I'm feeling mighty suicidal today. Are you ready to drop me? Just drop me and run. It's a suicidal mission. For you, it's not. For me, it is. Ooh, drop me right here. You run away from the initial blast. You counteract with a nice little pox. Mommy said you left us. I'm still killing everyone. No. I murdered everyone. I murdered their entire families. Bro, the last one was already a suicide mission. I don't know what you're saying. It was still suicidal. It's the thought that counts. It's the thought that counts about being suicidal. Yep. I'm suicidal mentally, but not physically. Alright, drop me on that woman right here. I can't. I don't have enough mana. What did you Yay! Oh, I'm still alive. Still alive. Just kidding. I'm murdering entire families now. I just murdered like 3 people. The tactics outpost. Oh, nice. Anyway, I'm right under you. I can't hear you. Tell me a bit louder. Also, join Tactics Party. It's a group that my friend Nicholas made. It's an amazing group. It's where we get these skins from. He made these skins, and they completely camouflage us during nighttime. And it's honestly amazing, because a couple of times people ran right past us. This is going to be our last bombing, Nicholas, okay? Because I want this to be like a 13-12 minute video. Oh, look at that juicy amount of people. I got out of there so fast that they couldn't even see what hit. I mean that quite little. I mean, they could see the blue cloud that engulfed them and set them ablaze, but yeah, I'm not dead. I'm nearly at max health. There's also a person coming for us. I thought I didn't leave a trace. She left. She left, okay. Send us in, one more round. Like, look over there, look at fireplace. Go, 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 send. Would you like to talk about your car's extended warranty? I killed him. He walked through his portal and he died. Anyway, yeah, this has been a great video, guys. Shout out to Tactics Party. This is the Tactics Party outpost, so you're only allowed to go here if you're part of the Tactics Army. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and also there's this guy standing right here that's feeling mighty suicidal. Beep, 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 beep. He chased me. I think I hit him. Anyway, bye.